I'm seriously obsessed with Dime Beauty. It's master esthetician founded using proven ingredients that are EWG verified clean. It's affordable. It has transparent ingredients, sustainable packaging, and it's USA made with vegan and cruelty-free. After using their cleansing balm on my face and neck, I'm using their detox mud mask and leaving it on for anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, washing it off. Red light treatment. Oh my gosh, the super firm serum. I use it really only under my eyes, sometimes on my forehead, but this tightens so fast, it's unbelievable. Next up is a dark spot corrector. I use this as a spot treatment just as needed. It helps me be able to use it longer, mainly on where I have acne spots or sunspots, kind of on my chin, my under eye. I'm obsessed with the TBT serum and the TBT cream. I put both of that on my face and my neck and I rub them in. I make sure I leave time after using the TBT cream. And yes, I know I have it using this little spatula. I know it's not what it's meant for, but at the same time, I don't like getting the cream under my nails. It's a big ick for me. Entering my fluffy brow era, I am using the Brow Enhancing Gel, which helps my eyebrows grow and keep them exactly where they need to be. Restock today is the Wonder Screen. It is tinted sunscreen and it is the best. After my Wonder Screen, I do my makeup and I add my Dime perfume.